Good morning, students. Welcome you all in today's class, that is of standard third, and lesson is 5. Lesson name is formatting a document. Look, students, we already know about the MS Word in our previous in our previous lectures, also in our previous chapters, and in this lesson we will learn how we can how we can format a document. What is format? Formatting means changing the appearance of a document to make it attractive. Look, students, if you visit any marriage, then you have to wear some special clothes, है ना? Special dress, so that you look beautiful. In the same way, when you prepare your document, you can color the text just like this. Formatting a document, it is in red color, it is in capital letters, it is in bold shape, right? And there is also a circle, this color change, these dots is making this page beautiful. In the same way you can also do with your document, right? So what will we can create and design appearing documents by how many things we can do in formatting. How many things? Number one, changing font and its size. You can change the writing style and its size as well. Look, this size is very small, it is quite bigger, and it is more bigger, right? In the same way you can change the style. Number two, highlighting certain words. If you want to show some words are very important, then you can highlight them. You all have highlighter pen with you, but in computers, how we can highlight them, I will show you in this lesson. Next is adjusting line spacing between two lines, just like this. In this paragraph, we have a proper gap between the lines, and how we can change its size: one line gap, two line gap, 1.5 line gap, we will also learn. After that, setting margin and tabs. What is it? I am showing you. Aligning text on a page. एक पेज के ऊपर आपका टेक्स्ट कहाँ पर हो, left side, in center, or in right side. It is alignment. We will learn this also. Next, creating bullets, numbers, and lists. As you can see, in front of every point, we have a shape. It is an arrow shape. This is called bullet. And we can create different kinds of bullets in MS Word, right? Next is changing text case. Look, students, this is a capital letter, then small letters, then capital letter, then small letters. But in this, every letter is capital. So we can change the case, upper case or lower case. Next is applying border. You can apply the border around the text. Whatever you write, you can draw a border just like this. We write this and it has a border around it, right? Next is changing text style and color. All these things we will learn in this lesson. So it will be very interesting lesson. Let's start. First of all, changing the font type. How we can change the font type? The characters of a specific size and design used for typing the text are called fonts. Microsoft Word provides various types of fonts options. When you open Word, the text appears in default font type, that is Calibri body with 11-point size. To change the font size, what it means? It means that in MS Word, let me open the MS Word first so that you can understand very clearly. Look, student, it is showing us that whenever we open MS Word, then the font style, this is the font, Calibri body, it is automatically comes. And the what is the size of it? 11. The same thing book is telling to us. Look, the default font size, default means that is automatically comes. जो अपने आप पहले से है, राइट. Then it is Calibri body with 11 point size. Now you can match it with here. Calibri body 11 point, right? Okay. After that, select the text and on the home tab. Let me write something. Suppose I am writing welcome you all. Welcome you all. Okay. Now, first of all, we have to select the text. And how we can select, you all know. It is quite easy. Okay. So after selection, go on the font group in the home tab. It is in home tab and group is font, you can say. From there, you can change the size. Click on it. As you drag the mouse arrow on the different number size, then you can see the preview. If you are happy with it, you can click on it. Look, size is changed. And with it, you can change its type also, font style. These are the font styles. So many font styles we have. And you can check only by writing on it. Look, my dear students, every style is different. You can see every style is different. Okay. Some more fonts we have. Fonts can be different according to the computer because we have to install these fonts into the computer. Suppose I am taking this style. Welcome you all. Okay. Welcome you all. Right, beta? So in this way, we can change the font style and font size. Its font type. Now applying bold, italic, and underline. Come on it. Look, students, again we have to choose the text. We have to choose the text. And after that, we have three options. First is B for bold. Look, when you click on it, your text looks slightly darker. Okay, थोड़ा dark हो जाता है ये. That is bold. After that, italic. Look, students, you can observe when I am clicking on it, it become something slanting in slant style. When again from there I can remove the effect. अगर मैं इस पे दोबारा क्लिक कर देता हूं, ये देखो एक बार क्लिक किया, ये डार्क हो गया और ये इटैलिक हो गया, राइट. इटैलिक में समथिंग स्लंटिंग, थोड़ा टेढ़ा हो गया है, राइट. आफ्टर दैट अगेन प्रेस ऑन आई, देन द इफेक्ट विल डिसअपियर, ये दोबारा नॉर्मल हो जाता है. सेम ऐसे ही बोल्ड के साथ है. बोल्ड नहीं करना है तो हटा दो. आई एम डूइंग बोल्ड, इटैलिक एंड फाइनली यू स्टैंड्स फॉर underline. Look, one line will come entire the selected text. Okay, so if you want to make some more style of underline, look, students, you can change. Okay, I am showing you again. With A we have one button. When you click on it, you will have some more options with underline like this. Look, students, in this way, you can make your document beautiful. Select it. And then if you want to remove the style, anyone, suppose I am not using italic, then it's okay. Only bold or underline will on, italic will off. Right, students? I hope you are understanding very easily. Next is Yes, changing text alignment. Now it is quite easy and very important also. For this, I have to take some text, more text, means one or two lines I have to take. Suppose I am opening this page and I will take some data from it. That's why I am here. Give me 1 minute only. Okay. Look, students. See now. We type something, whatever it is. Alignment means the placement of text on the page. Every text, whenever you start type, every text is left aligned. Left side से वो एक line में होगा. Left align, not line, align. Left align. Look, but it is not align, not in line. You can say from the right side, है ना? अब right side से तो ये नहीं है. So what we can do? We can take the help of alignment option. That is also in home tab, but in paragraph group. ये पैराग्राफ है, इसमें ये चार अलाइनमेंट हमारे पास है. फर्स्ट इज बाय डिफॉल्ट, ये अपने आप होती है, दैट इज अलाइन लेफ्ट. देन अगेन नेक्स्ट इज सेंटर, आफ्टर दैट राइट, एंड फाइनली जस्टिफाई. व्हाट आर द यूज ऑफ इट? आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू. लुक स्टूडेंट्स, लेफ्ट अलाइनमेंट इज बाय डिफॉल्ट, ये तो अपने आप आएगी, इसको आपको कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. जब भी आप टाइप करना शुरू करते हैं ये अपने आप आ जाता है बेटा. ओके. After that, you have to select the text. Suppose I select only one paragraph. I start only one paragraph. Okay. Like this. Right. Now, if I click on center align, then what will happen? Please note. Look, students. Now it is just सेंटर ऑफ द पेज. जितना स्पेस यहां से इसने पहली लाइन में ड्रॉप किया है उतना ही इधर भी ड्रॉप कर दिया, इधर भी छोड़ दिया है. सेकंड में इतना छोड़ दिया है तो सेकंड में इधर भी इतना छोड़ दिया है. थर्ड में दोनों तरफ पूरा है. ओके. फोर्थ में देखो, इसने जितना इस यहां तक हमने ड्रॉप किया है, जितना गैप बन गया है उतना ही गैप इसका राइट हैंड साइड. ओके बेटा, ठीक है. तो इस तरह से हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि हम किस तरह से देख सकते हैं कि हम किस तरह से अपने डाटा को यूज कर सकते हैं और इसको अलाइन कर सकते हैं. अब इसमें भी नहीं हमें अच्छा लगा, इसमें भी नहीं हमें अच्छा लगा. इसके अंदर अब देखिए, नेक्स्ट में करके देखता हूं, लेफ्ट की बजाय राइट, राइट अलाइन. अब क्या हुआ? राइट साइड से तो एक जैसा हो गया, बट इट इज नॉट फ्रॉम लेफ्ट साइड. ये भी काम खराब हो गया. इट इज ऑल्सो नॉट लुकिंग गुड. राइट स्टूडेंट्स? बट फाइनल ऑप्शन इज फोर्थ ऑप्शन. व्हाट इज इट? इट इज जस्टिफाई. व्हाट इज इट? फोर्थ ऑप्शन, जस्टिफाई. As you can see or observe from इट्स शेप, ये शेप भी ऐसा है, दोनों तरफ लाइनें पूरी लगी हुई है बराबर लाइन से, इक्वल लाइंस, इक्वल गैप, राइट. सो if I click on it, now you can see from the both side lines are same, alignment is same. So main alignment is justified, we can apply on the text. Okay, then why we use this center alignment and all? Suppose you are going to write something like any essay or any paragraph. Suppose I am going to write on morning walk, right? Then the heading should be in the center of the page. In this way you can click in it and press center, it will come in the center, because every heading should be in the center. ओके, ये बीच में होना चाहिए तो हमने बीच में लगा दिया. कुछ नाम क्या होते हैं, नीचे हम लोग लेटर के बाद हम लिखते हैं. सपोज आपने यहाँ पे अपना नाम लिखना है, समटाइम्स वी राइट एट द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड बस, बट समटाइम्स वी नीड, जैसे नाम है ABC और स्कूल में उसकी मान लीजिए ही और शी इंचार्ज, अब वो ABC नाम है और इंचार्ज है वो, तो इसको सिलेक्ट कीजिए एंड यू कैन मूव इट फ्रॉम राइट साइड. लुक, अभी अपने आप राइट साइड. तो कई बार हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि इस तरह से राइट साइड में भी डाटा शिफ्ट कर देते हैं, राइट. सो सेम वे वी कैन मूव इट लेफ्ट साइड, बट नॉट justify, because justify should be applied on a paragraph, not on a line or not on a word. It should be applied on a paragraph. So it is the main command of alignment, because left side will take you only left side align, center will take you in center, right only in right side, and finally we have to take this command, that is justify. It will make proper size or proper gap, it will leave the proper gap from the both side, it will align from left and right, and our data will look very good. Okay beta, next command is okay. Next is changing text color. How we can change the color of text? Very easy, very easy. Just select your text. Suppose we want to change the color of morning walk, it should be in size, bigger size. You can select it from there, I already told you. Or with it we have two buttons. One is increase font, whenever you click on it, it will continuously increase. Or when you use its nearby button, it is decrease font, it will decrease the size of the font, right? With it we have one font color button. Click on it, we will have so many colors to be applied. You can just move your mouse cursor on the colors and the preview you can see on the screen. Suppose you feel this style is good, then you can click on it, then it will change. It's so easy, no problem at all. In the same way you can apply any other color on the paragraph, but you have to select. Main thing is you have to select. Suppose this time I apply maroon color, and again this time I am using something different color. Suppose this kind of blue, sky blue type, and finally suppose I am taking it's purple shade, right? Look students, I am going to tell you the shortcut key of alignment. यहां से तो आप कर ही सकते हो, बट वेन एवर यू ब्रिंग योर माउस एरो ऑन बटन, it will show the shortcut key also. It is control plus L. Look, if I press control L, control की को प्रेस करके रखना है एंड उसके बाद L प्रेस करना है और दोनों को साथ में छोड़ देना है बाद में. लुक, अब इस साइड से अलाइनमेंट है, इधर नहीं है. अब अगर लेफ्ट के लिए L है तो राइट के लिए क्या होगा? R. कंट्रोल प्लस R. नाउ यू कैन सी फ्रॉम राइट साइड द डाटा इज अलाइंड बट नॉट फ्रॉम लेफ्ट साइड. और जस्टिफाई कंट्रोल प्लस जे, जे फॉर जस्टिफाई. सिर्फ सेंटर के अंदर आपको कंट्रोल सी नहीं करना है अगर आपको सेंटर अलाइन करना है. यहां थोड़ा चेंज है, इट विल बी कंट्रोल प्लस ई. व्हाट इज कंट्रोल प्लस ई? ये देखो मैंने ई कर दिया तो इस साइड से भी गैप छूट गया, उधर से भी गैप, लेकिन सेम. नाउ अगेन आई एम डूइंग कंट्रोल एल फ्रॉम लेफ्ट साइड, कंट्रोल आर फ्रॉम राइट साइड, कंट्रोल ई फ्रॉम सेंटर एंड कंट्रोल J, J for justify from both the sides. ठीक है, तो in this way you can use it. So we already covered the color. Now changing text case, it will be our last command for today, and I hope we have more options. Let me check. Yes, we have more options. So okay, sometime we want to change, we already type the text and after that we realize that this data should be in capital letter. Then what will be, what we can do? It is quite easy. Again, we have some commands related to it. Suppose this morning walk you want to type in capital letter, but you already typed it. Then no need to type again. Just go on the home tab and from there go in font group and you have to change, you have to click on change case. When you click on it, you will have 5 options. First is sentence case. What is sentence case? In sentence case, only first letter will be capital, remaining will small. Let's see. Click on it, sentence case. Look students, only M is capital, remaining are small. Next. Lower case. Lower means small ABC. There will be no any capital letter. Look, every letter is small. No M, no W. Both the letters are small now. Every letter is small. Next, upper case, just opposite of it. Lower case में हमने सब small कर दिया था. In upper case, we will make capital letter. Look, now every letter is capital. And again, no need to retype. दोबारा तो टाइप नहीं करना पड़ रहा है ना? Next is capital each letter. Every word. अब देखो morning एक word था तो उसका first letter capital हो गया. Same way, it convert W in capital letter because every letter of word will capital. This is the option. You can read it again. Capitalize each word. हर एक word का पहला अक्षर capital हो जाएगा. And opposite of it, it is quite interesting style, but we use this very few when we want to make our text in a style. Then only we use this option. Look, इसका उल्टा हो जाएगा. Only M will small in morning, remaining are capital, and same way with W. W is small and ALK in walk is, what is it? Small. Only W, ALK is capital. Means जो हमने each letter वाला किया था उसका बिल्कुल opposite. Okay students, so now I am going to take your attendance first and after that I will unmute you so that you can ask any question. Please be in the meeting.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, okay,
No,
okay.
sir.
Okay, beta. So please stay at home. I will send you question answers of the previous lesson and back size also. And you please do it in your book or in your notebook. If you don't have your book, then you have to prepare your notebook. Okay, stay home, stay safe.